I'm standing on the grade that the Mulsanne Straight, and this is the first area that has been graded down to the actual level that it'll end up being. Right next to me we have equipment that's working and moving dirt still. Thought it was real unique that this part was down to grade, and the goal is that when folks come here for the Labor Day event, that there'll be more of this Mulsanne Straight that'll be down to grade all the way down to the entrance and the Mulsanne Kink and Mulsanne turn. So another great accomplishment for moving forward with the NCM Motorsports Park. We're standing now at the other end of the Mulsanne Straight, closer to the Mulsanne Kink and the Mulsanne turn, looking back to where we just were. You can see people over there working. Also see the white Suburban, that's Rock, giving a tour to the Show Me Corvette Club. This is actually looking at the paddock. The control tower and paddock and autocross skid pad area will be. And that little clump of woods there is where we have discovered an old cemetery that we will be preserving. Fortunately, it's not in the in the way, and worked out just perfect. Swinging around now, looking toward the commercial area, to what'll be the designated area for some commercial development. Also, a little bit further over this way will be the ending of the Mulsanne Straight and the turn and curve and all this. I'm going to swing around just a little bit, give a good angle of how close we are to the museum. Again, just right across the interstate. We're looking right at it. So pretty exciting times going on right now for the Motorsports Park. Swing around a little bit further. You can see again more equipment working. And a little bit further, and if you look up there, you can see the Corvette assembly plant, the roof of it. Overpass there where the entrance is, or the exit is to exit 28 to the museum and the Corvette assembly plant. A lot of great things going on right now.